Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing any case or protector so you can access the Home button. Use 90% plus isopropyl on a soft swab to clean debris from the button edge. This dissolves grime that blocks movement. Next, perform a soft reset. Hold the appropriate button combo for your model to clear temporary software locks. Once done, try pressing the Home button gently. Feel if it moves. These actions remove common physical and simple software causes before deeper fixes. Now inspect the seam around the Home button with a bright light and a plastic pick or toothpick very gently to dislodge lodged particles. Avoid metal tools that scratch. Apply a small amount of isopropyl to the swab, not directly to the phone, and press the button repeatedly 10 to 15 times to work the solvent in and free up movement. Then enable assistive touch and accessibility to confirm functionality, and isolate whether the issue is physical or software-related before proceeding to hardware repair. If the button still feels stuck or the tactile click is gone, back up your data and decide between DIY replacement or a professional repair, especially if Touch ID must remain functional because it's paired to the secure enclave. You can test with a replacement part if experienced, but most users should seek an authorized technician to preserve Touch ID. If software looks suspect, restore the phone in DFU mode. Once restored and the problem persists, stop further teardown and consult a repair shop to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.